Amalungu ePhalamende akuleli azoqala uhambo lokuyofunda ukuyobheka ukuthi amazwe ase-Europe enze njani ukuze ohulumeni ababusa ngokuhlanganyela basebenze.
Sekuphinde kwagqama ukubusa kwemifelandawonye yamaqembu kweminye imikhandlo sesifundazweni iGauteng kanye nokungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwe-EFF ne-IFP. Abanye bakhala ngokutengantenga komasipala behlukene nanokuthi amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe asuke abeke phambili izikhundla kunokuphatha kahle umphakathi. Amalungu ePhalamende asezovakashela amazwe afana neDenmark neSweden okungamazwe abuswa imifelandawonye ukuze afunde kuwo.
It's likely to affect provinces and it's likely to affect national. I think by the time, it's urgent that everybody should actually be discussing about this thing, developing some framework.
I-South African Local Government Association ikholelwa ukuthi mhlawumbe sekuyisikhathi sokubukeza uhlelo lwaseNingizimu Afrika lohulumeni basekhaya uma lingekho iqembu elibusayo.
If you take a collective municipality is a distribution of responsibility, then you remove the issue of executive because it's a contentious issue that parties fight over it. Then you place in the collective type so that all parties that have managed to make the grade to come to council, they can then participate in that council.
Kusenjalo, abanye abayingxenye zombusazwe banembono ehlukile mayelana nokulawula kwemifelandawonye.
We have never worked with the right wing and the conservative, the DA and others. We have not worked with them in these coalitions. We have stuck our ground, working with the middle ground, people, independence and all of that in the coalitions were formed.
Perhaps it's time as South Africa, particularly ahead of the 2024 election, that we look at our legislation, we look at other countries that have had coalitions for long, coalitions that work and governments that are stable, countries that continue to develop in spite of coalition governments.
Izwe kuzofanele lizilungiselele uma ukubusa ngokubambisana komasipala abahlukene kuzosetshenziswa njengendlela yokuhlola ukuthi izwe lizobuswa kanjani ngemva kokhetho lwangonyaka ozayo.